In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Android app on your mobile device. Now, before you get started, you want to make sure that you've got your MetaMask wallet also installed on your device. And you've got it signed into the account that you're already using with Jonny Blockchain. So coming back over to Jonny Blockchain, I'm going to click on the Android app. Now you can either scan the QR code. Well, if you're already on your mobile device, you won't need to do that, but you can do that from your desktop if you want to. But I'm just going to click on this blue button that says download APK. Click on the button again. You get this pop-up to say that it might be harmful, but there's nothing to worry about. It's just your phone security checking that you want to download this app. So I'm going to click download anyway, and then I'm going to click on open. And I'm just going to click on install. So now that the app is installed, all we need to do now is to log into our Jonny Blockchain with our credentials that we normally log in with. Once I've input those, I just click on this button that says log in with email and password. My phone's asking me, do I want to save it? I'm going to say save, and then I got this enable biometrics login, so I want to enable that. Now it's going to ask me for my Google Authenticator because I use that to sign into my Jonny Blockchain account, so let me get that number. So now I'm in my Jonny Blockchain account. So if you look across the top here, you've got a menu which you can scroll with your finger. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the spot bots. So I'm going to click on the spot bots. So on the robot screen, I can click on the plus sign here to set up a trading robot. So what I'm going to do is set up one that uses my MetaMask to show you how to do that. So the first thing I'm going to do is choose the exchange, and I'm just going to choose Pancake V3. And it says, please connect to a wallet. If you get that message, that means you're not connected to your MetaMask wallet. And if you look below the exchange, there's a button there that says connect wallet. And if I click on that, it gives me this pop-up, and I choose MetaMask. It now takes me over to MetaMask. I sign into my MetaMask account. I wait a few seconds and I get this pop-up that says, do I want to connect to Jonny Blockchain? So I just click connect. And then that automatically takes me back over to Jonny Blockchain where I need to log in with my biometrics. So I log in with that. It's also going to ask me for my Google Authenticator, so I'll get that. So now that I've connected Jonny Blockchain to my MetaMask wallet, I shouldn't be asked that again. So I'm going to go back over to the spot trading and click on the plus sign. And you can see now below the exchange, the button's gone. So it knows that I've got MetaMask. So I'm going to put Pancake free. And I just need to choose a trading pair from this drop-down menu. So if I scroll down, you can see this bit here where it says approved in red and approved in green. You could see the Tether one, the USDT, I've already approved before on my desktop. So that's with my MetaMask wallet. But now I've setting up this new robot where I've never been approved for this particular token. So I'll just click on change. It's going to take me back over to my MetaMask wallet. Confirm that. And that's taking me back to Jonny Blockchain. So in a moment, we should see that red approved from 0 goes to a number there, and it goes green. And as you can see now that's actually changed and gone to approved. So now all I need to do is, if I don't want to change any more settings, I come up to the top and click save, and then that will take me back to the main bot screen there. And if I scroll all the way down the bottom, you could see that my new robot is sitting there, and all I need to do is to switch it on. So that's how easy it is to set up the Jonny Blockchain app and create a robot using the app. You have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon in another video. Bye now.